with another one. Another one. Part 3. A 3-part series. 3-part series. Y'all know. So part 1. Was it part 1? We hit y'all with this heat. Part 1. We hit y'all with this heat. You remember this heat? Y'all remember this heat? Y'all remember that heat? So what I'm dubbing this, since it's the Varsity, I'm dubbing this the Spartan Air Force One. Let's dub it that. Bam. Stamp of approval. Bam. Spartan. So now we got that one out the way. Spartan out the way. We here with the Detroit Mercy. Can we go with the Detroit Mercy on that one? We can go with the Detroit Mercy on that one. I like that. What y'all think of that? Y'all like the Detroit Mercy? It's either that or UNLV, and I ain't from Las Vegas, so we gonna name it the Mercy. Detroit Mercy. Yes. Mercy. Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick. Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so. Yeah. So that's what we gonna call it, the Mercy. Put that one out the way. So, if we got the Michigan State, we got the Detroit Mercy. You know what we got him over the head with. If we ain't last but not least, we gotta hit him over the head with the Michigan. Yes. Michigan boys. Shout out to Jay Howard. They ain't quite make it all the way, but they did make it far. Shout out to them. Yo, these right here these go crazy, man. These go crazy. Yes. These go crazy. I'm unlacing them because I hate the way they lace up forces. They be having the boys lace tight, too tight. Like, don't nobody wear them that tight. Don't nobody wear them shoestrings that damn tight, boy. Care how small your feet, skinny your feet is, boy. Bam. Let's get some curvature on that. There you go. Yes, we got the Michigan boys. Eye with that yellow, that maize on the back side of that. Yes. Y'all see it. So, all 3 of them in the collection. Tell me what y'all think of them. We got this. I don't know which one I like, man. I have no clue. Y'all tell me which one to rock, which one to stock, which one to sell, man. Y'all tell me, and tell me who else y'all seen with all 3 of them. Nobody seen y'all seen with all 3 of them. Bam, there y'all go. I told y'all that this could definitely be the UNLV, that Las Vegas boys. This one here got that gray on the tab. These boys here they just sick. These sick right here. Then, like we said before, like I always do it this time, I go for mine. I got the shine. So throw your hands up in the sky. Hey, look at that. You got the yellow on the back, yellow on the tongue. That maize in the inside. I don't know if y'all can see it. I hope I'm getting it. The maize in the inside. Blue on the swoosh. Blue on the bottom. Hey, that age look go oh so well with that blue on the bottom. And hey, you got the lettering on the back. I think they should have brought it all the way around. That's just my opinion. It don't have to be that, but that's just my opinion. I like it the way it is, and we're going to roll with that. This right here got to be one of the dopest ones that we've seen. I've seen so far. If you think different, let me know. I think this is the dope one. Let me know. I'm gonna put a poll on my community board. Let me know what y'all think. Which one better? Me personally, it's this one. I like that pop of that yellow. Then it's gonna be the red. Then it's gonna be the green. So on that note, Let me know which ones y'all think the best ones. We gonna get out of here. Hey, do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Hey, and like we always do, at this time, stay blessed, be blessed, always, always find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we out.